Alright, so an update from yesterday, still with our two counts, one in pink going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're looking for some sort of broad or deep correction. And the second in purple, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going up for a 5. This 5 could end up being an ending diagonal of some sort, so we'll have to watch out for that. Going down to the lower time frames, I am still of the opinion that we had a 3-wave move down here, a 3-wave move up here, then a 5-wave move down here in an A, so this is a flat. Then we have a triangle in B, and then we've gone down for a 5-wave move in another A to be an A of the C. We've gone down for a 5-wave move here, and then there were two possibilities as of yesterday, one being 1, 2, 3, and then we're coming down for a 5-wave move. Then the other being that this was the 3-wave move, and then we finished the 5-wave move and wave 4 bottomed here in the truncation. So at the moment, it's a bit difficult to go with the count that says that this down here was a 5, and then we had a 3 here, and we're looking for a 5 here. The only way that I can see that being possible is we if we try to make a diagonal here, but to be a bit of an expanding diagonal at this point. So that's the only option I can currently see for that, and that will be invalidated the moment we come to this point, 40, 30. The moment we get to that point, that diagonal idea will be invalidated. So the second option, which is the bullish one, which is that the reversal has started. So the second option, which is that the diagonal has, which is that the wave 4 has bottomed here, is that this is a wave 1, and then this is an A, a B, and a C in some sort of flat correction, or maybe a zigzag, because I counted this as a 5-wave diagonal. So I really haven't gotten like the lower time frame counts for this yet. So currently I'm just waiting. If we come above the high of the proposed wave 1, then I'll put my label here as 1, 2, then we'll be moving up for 3. But I don't really like this count. It's I'll explain why soon. Well, then this would be a 1 and this would be a 2. Then if we go deeper, then yesterday I spoke about how I was counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And I also said that if I were to see a 3-wave pullback, I might place a trade. So I don't like the pullback. It's not broad enough for me. This zone here is the 50 to 85.4 fib level. So I was really expecting to come in here, just move around a bit and then reverse, but it didn't really. So with my current working theory, I'm going for an A, a B, and a C. So I don't expect price to come down to this level. You can see that I am not really confident in this trade. That's why my stop loss is actually a bit above break even. So yeah, and this second trade I placed is just assuming that this is the bottom and then this is another one too. So I counted a 5-wave move on the lower time frames as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 3-wave move. So that's the basic assumption I'm working with as of now. I really don't like it. I would have really liked it if we had come down to this level, but I mean, like I said yesterday, just have to follow the market and see what it does. There's still every possibility, every chance that these trades will be taken out. Like I don't put it, I'm not, I don't put this current count as infallible because there are still a lot of issues I have with it. But this is the best I can do at the moment. I also spoke about how this low here is actually lower than this one, so this would actually be where wave C is meant to bottom. And then we have a very small diagonal here. Let me look at that. So yeah, we have a bit of a diagonal here, some sort of correction here. But then for me, the important thing was to identify a proper 5-wave move up. So in as much as I saw that proper 5-wave move up, I have not seen at least to my own taste. I've not seen a very good three-way move down. This is shallow and it's just looking strange. So all in all, these two trades might be taken out or they might not be. I really don't know. But this is what I have for now. I also looked into this, the possibility that this could be a diagonal. But if it's a diagonal, then that would mean that this would have to be the final five-wave move, or at best, it would have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then when you look at this here, it's a three-wave move to the downside. So if I go to maybe M15, yeah, it's a three-wave move to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever this is. It's a three-wave move. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So this on everything here is one move. Then you then have to count this itself as one move. So it's a three-wave move to the downside. So it's not possible for the wave 4 to have bottomed here. So it has to bottom here. And we can't really go with a diagonal from here as 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it breaks. So yeah, currently I am, at least from what I'm seeing, it seems that we are moving up from here. Currently I have two trades in. They will probably be taken out because I mean I would have really liked it to come into this level, but for now I'm not going to close them. I'll just leave them open and see what happens. So yeah, that's it for now.